Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in IBM step by step clearly. To begin investing in IBM, first, research the company thoroughly. Understand IBM's business model, financial performance, and recent news. Visit the official IBM website and check their investor relations section. Review quarterly earnings reports and key financial metrics. Next, open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Choose a brokerage that suits your investment style and offers access to U.S. stocks. Complete the account registration process, providing necessary personal and financial information. Once your account is active, deposit funds to enable trading. Now, search for IBM by entering its ticker symbol, IBM, in the brokerage platform. Review the stock's current price and historical performance chart. Decide how many shares you want to buy based on your research and budget. Select the type of order you want to place, market order or limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price. A limit order will execute only if the stock reaches a specific price you set. Proceed to review your order and ensure all details are correct. Once satisfied, confirm your order to purchase the shares. After buying IBM stock, monitor your investment regularly. Check for company updates and changes in market conditions. Consider setting a target price and a stop-loss order to manage risk. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically and adjust your holdings as needed. Stay informed about IBM's performance and the overall market trends. Engage in further learning about investing to make informed decisions in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.